Hi friends, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video you are going to learn how to create first module in Drupal. So in this video tutorial I will show you that how you can step by step create a very simple module which will say just hello world. So let's start, and uh, in this tutorial I am going to work on Drupal 8 and 9. Okay, 9, like the latest version is like Drupal 9. So in this video I'm going to show you in Drupal 9 how you can create a very simple module which will say hello. So let's start installing Drupal first, and then we will step by step create new module. First let's download Drupal 9. Drupal 9 can be installed with two options, either through either downloading. So in this case I'm going to download this zip, just Drupal zip. Will download this, or you can also install through Composer. So I'm using this download method to install Drupal. Then let me just copy this. Okay, so it just got copied. Now I'm going to here htdocs, and then I will just create one folder called Drupal new, and then Drupal 9. So in this I'll just paste, and in my case I'm using this one. So let me do one thing. Let me open here localhost, and then php my admin, so that I can create database. Let me create here database, so I'm naming it Drupal 9. Right. So now let me write here localhost, and then Drupal 9. Oh, let me copy it into the root directory like this. Okay, refresh it so that installation will start. Okay, so English course, select this, and then standard, or we can use experimental. Okay, so we are going to actually create new module, so we will keep it standard. Let's click on save, then verify requirement. So in my case requirement is fulfilling except this warning, so I will just click on continue anyway, and then database name Drupal 9, and in my case database username is my admin and password is uh, this. So but in your case, if you're using localhost, in that case it is possible that you need to write here root like this, and the password will be blank. So in my case I'm using my admin and this one, and then save and continue. So maybe port number I may have to change. So my port number is also different. Port number is 308 in my case, but normally the port number is that one. Right, now installation started, and then site name here Drupal hello world, email address I'm just putting this one, and username admin and password I'll keep admin this as well, and password matches. So it says that it is weak, but that's fine. So let's see if it works or not. Email address, default country India, and then time zone, let's give it default, but of course here will be Asia, Calcutta. UTC. Check for updates and then save and continue. So the installation will start. Okay, so the installation is now finally complete. Now what we will do, let's go to the folder here in Drupal, and then let's delete this. Let's go to module, not module actually, sites and default. Yes, so let's go to module, and here we will create a new module. So first thing that I will create a folder called hello world. Here hello and then world. Inside this first file that I will create here is, let's go to Sublime Text, and then let's create new file, and then hello world. Let's save here. We will name it as hello world dot info dot yml dot info dot yml. So let's open this file with Sublime Text, and first thing will be name. You can name it whatever you like. So hello world example, then description. This is very simple module for learning. Then package example, and then version. This is important. Version. Actually it will not be here. We will write type. So what is kind of type this module is? Module. And then here compatible version, core version requirement. So we will write here 8, and then we will write here 8.9 and 9. So this module will be compatible with both the versions. So now once this one is done, let's go to here and click on extend, and then here inside the example you can see hello world example. So guys, you can see our module at least is now registered with Drupal. So it is displaying here, but at this point of time it will not show anything, but at least you can see that okay, so this module is working. So just click on this chat box and then install. Click on install. There is nothing important in this, but still the module got installed here. So at this point of time you can install and install this module. But okay, so currently there is nothing in this, but at least you can see that we can install. Now let's create one another file, and the file name will be hello world, then routing.yml. Hello world, this is important, remember, hello world routing.yml. Now save it, and inside this we will write hello world, dot hello. So this will be actually our URL, and then path will be hello. Remember this tab, and then here defaults, and then underscore controller slash, not slash actually, this hello world slash backslash, then controller, and then hello world controller, then this hello controller hello, and then there will be title hello world. So this will be the label, and then there will be requirements, then permission, content. So before permission we need to put here one underscore, and then content, access content, actually access content. So that's it in this routing. Now as you can see, we will have to create the folder called hello world inside this controller folder, and inside that we will create a file. So first let's create one controller inside this hello world. Now we need to create one src folder here, src. Inside the src folder we will create controller, inside this hello world, not hello world actually, hello controller, because here we have written, if you go back, then we had written here hello controller. So we need to create a file with that name. Okay, hello controller with this one inside src, and then controller hello controller dot php. So now let's start with php, and then close here. So it will be namespace, we will write here namespace, then Drupal, then hello world, hello underscore world slash controller. This is the namespace, and then the second one, use Drupal core controller, then controller base. So we will import this base controller. Now hello controller extends base controller, and then actually we will write here class hello controller extends base controller, not base controller actually, this controller base. Inside this we will create a function called public public function hello, and then return here square bracket, then hash mark up, and then dollar this t, and then inside this hello world, that, and of course here will be semicolon. So that's it guys. Now let's go to here, and if we try to open this with routing hello, then definitely we will get error. It says that page not found. So let's go to configuration, and then performance, and let's clear the cache. Okay, so cache is successfully cleared. Now let's try to open with hello with this routing. Oh, so it still says there is something wrong, couldn't be found. Okay, so it looks like there is one mistake. Actually there will be colon here, and then the path, and this one, and also one more thing I missed here, it will be Drupal. Okay, so rest looks fine. Now let's try to open. Before that, let's clear the cache once again, and then let's try to open. Once cache is cleared, it's cleared now, so refresh. Okay, still saying not found, so there is something wrong. That means this one is showing here hello world, as you can see the title, but the page is not loading, so there is some mistake. Let's check again, and here also one more slash. Okay, so I think there is one mistake, that is why it's not coming up there. The mistake is here. Actually it will be not underscore here, it will be dot. So hello world dot routing dot yml, it will be just like this, dot info dot yml, so it will be dot routing dot yml. So now let's try to clear the cache. Now let's try to clear the cache once again, and then we will refresh it and check, and yes, now it's working. As you can see, it is displaying hello world. So guys, let's recap it, that how we have worked on this. The first file that you need to create is this info file. Okay, this info file yml, and it's very simple. It doesn't have so much complexities. Just you need to write here name, description, package, and then type, and then code, that is the version. And after this you need to create this routing. Inside the routing you need to specify here, so your folder name, and then this is the path name, right? Hello. So with the same path we are opening here, you can see hello, right? So whatever we give another name in hello world, we need to change this. And then here defaults controller, from here you need to just put here the folder name, then controller, and hello controller, this will be the controller name, and then hello this same, right? And then title hello world. So which title we are talking about? This title. Okay, this title. And then requirements, permission, access content, that means content can be accessed. This is the content. Okay, this is the content, so we are providing here permission. And then finally inside the src folder, here inside the src folder you just go to controller, create controller file, and then hello controller, and Drupal, then your folder name and controller, and Drupal core controller, controller base class hello controller, extends controller base, then public function hello, and then this markup, this text is displayed there. This is the same text, hello world module. If you change here hello world module, then it should display there hello world module. It's not displayed because you need to clear the cache, then it will show you hello world module. Once this is cleared, then guys, if you want to learn Drupal, then we have Drupal course also. Here you can see hello world module. This is title and this is description. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn Drupal 9, then you can contact me in this through YouTube. So that's it, and still you have not subscribed my channel, then I request you please subscribe the channel, and you also write your valuable comment in comment box. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.